Welcome back to Jude Tutorials, and in this video I'll show you how to combine edits with another editing app called CapCut to create a hybrid workflow. So from edits you can cut, paste, and also color your video, add keyframes to create dynamic zooms, add music, add sound effects, add text, add stickers, any element you'd like to add to your video to give it a boost of fun or professionalism. Once you're done, select export at the top, and once it is finished exporting, select more, swipe across until you see more. Again, you're going to select that and scroll all the way down till you see CapCut. You'll have to already have the app CapCut downloaded to your device. So once you select CapCut, it now prompts you to import the footage into CapCut. So you're going to select import footage to CapCut, and from here it's now allowing you to get creative. So if you hadn't added, for instance, filters yet, you can do this from inside of CapCut. So in the toolbar below, scroll until you see filters, or you can click on adjust. Click on the adjustment layer and it opens up both filters and adjust. So select adjust and you can improve the brightness, the contrast, just about everything that edits would have offered. But these are a lot more free flowing because it allows you to control the amount that you would have applied. And then you would go to filters and you can choose from any one of these free filters that they have provided. Again, once you've selected a filter that you like, you can toggle with the bar to adjust how much of the filter you'd like to apply to the video. And once that's settled, you click the check mark to confirm application, and now your video is ready for export. This hybrid workflow gives you the best of both worlds: creative flexibility and professional polish.